Hi, this is Lee from Woodland Classroom. Today we're going to talk about a really good wild food. It's the Three Cornered Leek. You can see it here beside me with these white flowers. This plant was introduced in the 19th century, so it's non-native and actually classed as an invasive species, as it comes out much earlier than the bluebell, but it outcompetes our native species like the bluebell. I can't tell you how chuffed I was when I found this plant, because I love onions. I put onions in so many dishes at home. So it is super versatile. I like to eat it just picked from the bank, but this could be used in all sorts of dishes. I used it and made a potato salad and replaced the spring onion with the three-cornered leek. Chopped up in a quiche, in a salad, it's ideal. Stir fries, curries, pastas, you name it. You could put it in almost anything that you'd put garlic or onions in, or leeks even. We're in Cornwall now and we're seeing it everywhere. Yet for years we've never seen it in northeast Wales, despite looking for it. It seems to like habitated areas. It seems to be in abundance where it's perhaps garden escapey. So where you live, you might find it all over the place, where it's worked its way up hedgerows and along banks and roadsides. It's May now and the plant is in full flower, so it's a good time to forage. But this plant has a long foraging season. You can even pick the leaves in November time, so it can be a forager's treat in late winter. The younger the leaves, the stronger the flavour. This plant is an easy one to identify, especially at this time of the year when it's in flower. The flowers are really pretty in the hedgerow and they do resemble the bluebell, but they are white. Don't eat bluebells, folks. So the petals, we have 6 of them, and down the centre of each petal is one green line. And it's the stem that really gives it away. So think of the name, three-cornered leek, and there are 3 corners like a triangle. One edge is particularly concave, but it's really easy to feel those 3 corners when you roll it in your fingers. And then we have the leaf, which could actually resemble the leaf of a bluebell or similar plants, so be sure that you're getting the right thing. If it's not in flower, you really need to sort of know your stuff. But it's got this really distinctive ridge running along the back of the leaf. So apart from it being tall, long and thin, there's a really prominent ridge or spine down the back of the leaf. And of course, if you taste it, it will taste like onion. So there's your other distinguishing feature. And of course it smells like it too. Right now what I'm seeing is a lot of the plants are in poor condition. They've kind of gone over. As long as you find it in good condition, you can harvest whenever. Because it's classed as an invasive species, there's absolutely no problem with us foraging as much as we like. We don't necessarily have to worry about the sustainable element here. So this is a member of the Allium family, like onions and leeks, and also the more commonly known wild garlic. So it has a bulb. If you dig that up, it looks a lot like a spring onion. And like wild garlic, every part of the plant is edible. The bulb, the flower, the stem, the leaf. And they all have this mild oniony flavour. It really is a lovely wild food. Now, if you are digging up the bulb, remember you need permission from the landowner. But with it being an invasive species, I'm sure you're not going to get any difficulty getting that permission. But it's about being responsible. And there's not a lot of information about its nutritional value, but it does have some of the same attributes that the garlic has. So it's good for lowering blood cholesterol and aiding the digestive system. And that's Three-Cornered Leek. Leave a comment below, let us know if it's growing in your area, and also if you've used it in any recipes. We'd love for you to share them with us. Now, if you like to know more about wild food and what you can forage all through the year, check out the links in the description below and you can find out all about our Wild Food Year online course, where we go through every month of the year and the best you can forage at that time. Also, if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos when we put them up. See you next time.